Hey everyone, it's Jem and Jess, and thank you for watching. Today I'm going to be doing a little unboxing for, I believe it is a diamond painting tray, a stacker tray, and the EverLastingTips. I think that's what I got. So I believe I'm going to start out with this one. This is, I think, the Wilson3DDesigns from Etsy. So let's get this open here. Hope everyone's having a great day so far. TGIF. I know I am. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful day today. Oh, see, we got a note here. Let's see. Jessica, thanks for your purchase of the red silk stacking tray special edition. Since you are a YouTuber, I decided to throw in a couple free gifts just for you to show on your channel. This is a complete stacker set of 3 different colors. Now, hope you love. Oh my god, love Pam. How sweet. Okay, so what I ordered was I've already gotten a tray from her. But she got the Christmas edition out, right? It's the special edition Christmas 3D printed diamond painting stacker trays. And I was like, oh my god, red's my favorite color. I have to have the red one. So that was so freaking nice of her, because all I ordered was the tray, because it comes with either the lid, the tray, or the full set, which is like 2 trays and the lid. And I'll show you my gold one that I've already ordered from her that I love. I've never gone back. Thank you so much for your purchase. Please let me know if there are any problems with your items. Okay. So here's her email and stuff that she puts in your box if you get a gift or item from her, Wilson3DDesigns. And there's a receipt. Oh my god, I'm so excited, you guys. I was not expecting this. Oh my god, look at this. Isn't that freaking beautiful? It is so shiny. I don't know if the sunlight catches it, but I'm so freaking stoked right now. Okay, let me open this. Thank you, Pam, if you're watching this. That was so freaking cool. How nice. Okay, so this is the complete stacker tray set if you order it. You can get it either in all colors, or you can get it in just green, just red, gold, whatever. It comes with 2 trays. I'm going to take a lid, obviously. Here's the lid. 2 trays. Aren't those so pretty? And then it has 2 little, whatever these are called, stoppers, or, if I can get it out, there we go. The little green thing, so you can take it, out if you want, to put the diamonds back in your container or whatever. Let me put this back in. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. So, and I ordered this, because originally I only ordered this one, because I was going to show you, I've already had some from her that I've ordered before. This is the gold set she has. For the life of me, I can't find this one, but I have it somewhere. I just, it comes with both, I promise, the stoppers. But so this is the one I ordered from her before, with the 2 gold ones. Well, it's like obviously not pretty gold like this. It's like a dark gold color with the lid, and I'm obsessed. And they stick together with the lid and everything, like perfect. Well, let's put that back on. Perfect. So I originally just ordered this, back to what I was saying, and it was the single tray for $9.99. The lid is $4.99, and then the full stackers is $24.99, which to me is worth it, because you will not go back. I swear. Like those little ones, like, yeah, I basically just threw them away, because these are the shit. Thank you so much, Pam. I'm so stoked about this. You have no idea. Yeah, and it only took 9 days to get to me, from purchase day, which was November 10th, and I got it, I believe, yesterday, which was the 19th. So yeah, so those are Wilson3DDesigns stacker trays. I highly recommend them. I'm so stoked on that. I promise you will love them. And that is on Etsy. I will link her shop down in the description box. And I also wanted to unbox something else I got today, which I believe are the EverLastingTips. love you guys. I'm sure you've heard of them or seen them on Instagram, but I love these. This is from, I think it's called EverLastingTips on Etsy, if I'm not mistaken. This is the all-in-one 4-pack. Oh my gosh. Christmas. Oh god, hell yeah. Who doesn't like candy? Thank you. I love candy. Oh, what's this? Oh, I think it's chocolate. Oh yeah. I'll be eating that as soon as I'm done filming this. Okay. Oh, cool. So it's gonna come in like an instruction manual. Oh, she sent me unicorn stickers. I see those. Thank you. A business card, I believe, or yeah, business card to her Etsy shop and email. So these are it, the Everlasting Tips. I had to get more. I ordered one and I loved it so much that I had to get the 4-pack. And here it shows the instruction manual, and they also have multi-placers. You guys can see. I mean, I'm sure you've seen these before, but if not, I highly recommend these as well. They are freaking awesome. Actually, I have a pen right here. Let me show you where I have one on. This is the pen I use. You just put the wax in there, and they are great. So much better than the other, plastic tips. So I'm so stoked I got some more. These are, okay, so they have single ones, like where you can just order one. But the 4-pack on Etsy is $37.13. And this also, or no, this took me, see, I ordered it November 4th and I received it the 19th. So about a couple weeks. So I just wanted to show you guys again the Everlasting Tips, which are bomb. And of course, I'm so stoked right now, the stacker tray. Please go check her out on Etsy. Again, I will link both of these shops in the description box. And thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys all have a great Friday. Bye.